Okay. Dr. Ranganathan, you heard Mr. Kingra. Your response?
No, with respect to Mr. Kingra, I think he's been very forthright and honest in deriding the political class, which is very correct. So I applaud him on that. But I have a very simple question for Mr. Kingra. In fact, two very small questions, if he doesn't mind, sir. Just yes or no questions. Number one, as Rahul has already asked him, if, as he says, it is a conspiracy, then surely the process of justice is better served if the conspirators and the perpetrators are caught alive, not murdered or lynched in full view of the public. And number two, as I already said, Mr. Kingra, just finally, a very simple question to you. In the case of Islam, the punishment for blasphemy is sanctioned in the Holy Quran. I told you, that is a fact. Allah himself has said that if anyone abuses Allah or his messenger, Allah has prepared a humiliating punishment. And then it goes on to say more and more. So that is 3357.
Dr. Anand Ranganathan, let me begin with you first. What do you make of this free-for-all unfolding in Punjab? Am I being insensitive, calling for action against those who have taken the law into their own hands?
Yes, good evening, Rahul. Thank you very much for that very important primer. It really opened the eyes of all the viewers who are watching you. You see, the manner in which this killing for blasphemy is being normalized is distressing beyond measure. And then it dawns on you that since 2014, most instances of outrage at a lynching in a BJP-ruled state were a carefully crafted narrative. Because as is apparent in the wake of this monstrous, grisly incident, when non-Hindus indulge in mob violence, when they lynch, and when they lynch particularly in a non-BJP-ruled state, it is not lynching at all. It is suicide. It is justified. With the exception of Dr. Abhishek Singhvi, whom I applaud, not a single politician cutting across party lines has condemned the lynching and demanded action. ये है डर का माहौल, राहुल, इसे कहते हैं डर का माहौल. I applaud Dr. Singhvi, but even there, his cries have been ignored even by his own party. Yeah. With Sidhu today demanding public hanging of blasphemers who are accused of blasphemy, as you correctly said, not convicted but accused. I ask you, Rahul, is there any difference between these politicians and fake activists and Pakistanis who rationalize lynchings? In fact, it is macabre to even say this, but at least in the latter's case, it is sanctioned by their holy book, 3357, 533. Yahan pe kiska sanction hai bhai? Rahul, since 2014 in this country, a man lynched by a Muslim or a Sikh mob is considered a suicide, not murder. That is the reality. But if it was the other way around, it would not only be the murder of the victim, but of democracy and justice. That's how the gangrenous cabal has twisted the narrative. They speak truth to power, but power to them is always Modi. Even when hate crimes happen in non-BJP ruled states. Take the case of Palghar. The ready identification of a saffron-clad sadhu is not enough. What if instead the victim was a skull cap wearing sherwani-clad bearded Maulana brought out by the UP police and gifted to the lynchers with a BJP minister looking on? Democracy khatre mein aa jati, Rahul. These propagandists have been silent on more than 195 Muslim mob hate attacks on Hindus, Dalits and non-Dalits over the past 2.5 years, including Bharat Yadav, who was lynched after being called a kafir, including in Ranchi, where a Muslim mob segregated bus passengers based on their religion before wanting to set it on fire, including lynching Gangaram because he dared to file a police complaint when his daughter was abducted, including going on a murderous rampage over alleged blasphemy by a Dalit Nitin, including breaking Ambedkar statue, thrashing Dalit families after they objected to a Dalit girl, Sarita, being assaulted by a Muslim, including nearly lynching a Dalit Jayanti Bhatti for daring to wear a Pathan suit. None of these attacks elicit any outrage. Rahul, just 30 seconds. Right from the fake church attacks narrative to running selective hate trackers, they have perfected selective outrage. So we know who Akhlaq was. But do we know, Rahul, who was Banu? और खेताराम भील और सावंत राठौड़ और विदु जैन और अयूब और फारूक और भारत. This, the third case of a Sikh mob avenging alleged blasphemy in as many men through lynching, will meet the same fate, sadly. Because do we remember Dalit Lakhbir Singh? No.
तो दोस्तों अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है तो वीडियो जरूर थोड़ी बहुत आपको अच्छी लगी होगी, इसलिए वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए और ऐसे ही वीडियो अगर आप और देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। धन्यवाद।